What's the meaning of customs and excise? Customs and excise. Customs and excise.
Customs and excise. Customs and excise. Customs and excise refers to the government agency responsible for collecting taxes on goods imported into a country and enforcing laws related to trade. This includes monitoring and regulating the import and export of goods, preventing illegal activities such as smuggling, and ensuring compliance with international trade agreements. The agency may also be responsible for inspecting cargo and enforcing customs regulations at ports of entry. Overall, customs and excise plays a vital role in promoting fair trade and protecting a country's economy and security.